Just 15 minutes of English practice every day can improve your English. Everyday moments, like shopping, can help you learn useful words and phrases for daily life. Hello, my name is Maggie. Today I want to share a simple story about my trip to the supermarket. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. I will speak slowly and clearly. Repeat after me and improve your fluency. Let's begin. I usually go to the supermarket once a week. This morning, I went to the supermarket. The weather was pleasant, and the streets were not too busy. I carried a small shopping list in my hand. When I reached the supermarket, the automatic doors opened. Inside, the lights were bright, and the place looked clean and organized. I took a shopping basket and walked toward the fruit section. I picked up apples, bananas, and a few oranges. I checked each fruit slowly to make sure it was fresh. Then I went to the vegetable section. I bought tomatoes, potatoes, and a small packet of spinach. I placed everything neatly inside my basket. After that, I walked to the dairy section. I took a packet of milk and a small box of butter. The shelves were well arranged, and everything was easy to find. Next, I moved to the snacks aisle. There were biscuits, chips, nuts, and chocolates. I took one packet of biscuits for myself. Then I checked the bread section. I picked a loaf of brown bread. It felt soft and fresh. After that, I visited the frozen food section. There were ice creams, frozen peas, and ready-to-cook meals. I took a small packet of frozen peas for my dinner. I also bought some important items: soap, toothpaste, and a bottle of shampoo. When I finished shopping, I walked to the billing counter. There were 2 people in front of me. I waited patiently in the line. The cashier scanned my items one by one. The bill appeared on the screen. I paid the amount and collected my bag. Before leaving, I checked my shopping list again. Everything was complete. I walked out of the supermarket and felt relaxed. My bag was not too heavy, and the day was still bright. I returned home slowly, thinking about making a healthy meal. And that was my visit to the supermarket. Keep practicing daily and improve your English. See you in the next story. Don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Stories.